Sarah got mac and cheese, egg sandwich. I got like a ham bacon and just normal egg sandwich, but it looks so good, guys. Oh my god. And then a latte. We absolutely devoured them. Holy smokes. That was the best breakfast sandwich I've ever had in my whole life. That was so good.
It's called chum toast.
Chum toast. And even the coffee is incredible too. It's pretty sweet, but I love it. Today is going to be an interesting vlog because I'm going to go on a solo mission. I'm going to have to navigate my way all the way to Olympic Park across the Han River. Do I have to take any, like, do I have to switch buses? I may or may not be having to switch buses or whatever. So solo mission is like an hour trip there, hour trip back. It's going to be interesting. So stay tuned.
Worst comes to worst, I have to go get that.
Worst comes to worst, I lose service, my phone dies, Sarah has no idea where I am, I have no idea where she is, and I die. Getting mugged by some people. We're on our way, I'm pretty sure I have to cross here. I know it says I shouldn't go, but what if I just started walking? I think I'd get hit. Honestly, probably. These guys, these South Korean drivers, they don't stop for anything. I'm scared I'm already lost. I hope I took the right exit. I don't know, it said either 4 or 5, I think. This is 4. Okay, I don't think it matters because 4 is right across. Okay, so now we're going to line 5, I believe, which is right there. So we're making our way. All right, we gotta find line 5. Here we go. Okay. Yes. Okay. Beautiful. All right. Okay, that's promising. I'm just gonna follow the yellow line. We're gonna get there. Okay. I think, so this is the line, now it's just a matter of figuring out where I wanna stand. Wait, what? Hold on. Okay, see how this can be confusing? Because both of them are line 5, but both of them are going to be going a different direction. So I need to find the right one real quick. Okay, so both say Jungo 3, which is also confusing, but my map says that I'm taking the train going that way. So that one is going that way, so that can't be the right one. I think. We'll see. So it should be coming from this side, I hope. To Tapco Park. Let me check that too. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of we made it. I will say thankfully I was right. So the way I was able to like triple check was it will show you like Olympic Park. It will show you the next station as well as like another location. And so basically just going through my maps that it shows me each transit that I'll hit. And so I just double check to make sure those match up with that direction and everything that I'm going. Now I have to figure out which exit to take, which I believe is probably just up here, but I'm gonna just double check real quick. Okay, now my maps are saying take exit number 4. So as you can see, exit 9 is that way. Exit 1, 2, and 4. Oh snap! Now I'm confused. Oh my god. Okay, we're good. So as you can see up there, 1, 2, and 4, we're gonna be going left. Okay, exit 4, straight. Here we go. Sarah says, ensure you gotta make it secondhand nature to look at where the exit is, but also look under like the numbers to make sure it matches up with your maps. So just gonna do a quick little beep boop up. Beautiful. I did it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Should I get a coffee? Yes. This was like another scene out of Rocky. And we're going to Olympic Park, so it's kind of fitting, even though he's not an Olympian or anything. It's just athletic, that's all. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. Oh, I made it. Oh, I made it to the thumb. Oh, big thumbs up. Big thumbs up. I'm pretty proud of myself right now. Pretty proud of myself right now. And to celebrate, I'm having a caramel macchiato.